you got going on?
So we got a 2012 Camaro SS. Just put a set of Kooks headers on it, and RotoFab cold air intake. So Adam's going to put it back on the dyno and see what kind of gains we get off that. So I'm hoping for maybe 20 more horsepower. We'll see. Hard to tell. What do you think, Adam? Another 20 horsepower maybe?
If we're lucky, yeah. The biggest thing is the power will be there. I'll just be correcting the airflow for it, so it won't be super rich or super fast. I gain a little bit in the process.
Yeah.
But I just don't want to cheat the numbers of not optimizing this before we put the cam in it. And, oh, you cheated and gained 5 extra horsepower because you didn't tune it.
Right. Makes sense. Yeah, I can tell it's already a little more torquey than it was, you know. A little more snappier, I guess,
Yeah.
you know, down low.
Well, that's where the long tubes come in because they're going to scavenge the exhaust a lot better.
Mm-hmm.
Versus that manifold, it's just there, you get it out, it don't care. It's just get it out, is all it's worried about.
Right.
Well, I'm on these streets of rust. I got took everything apart and I'm trying to keep as much of the interior as possible. I have to have interior and glass.
Yeah, I was thinking 20.
So you're in a good for 10.
Yeah, no doubt. I'm happy with those numbers. How much more? 450 foot-pounds.
30 horsepower.
Yeah. Cold air and
Yeah.
Kooks headers.
Things are running pretty lean there. Lean everywhere. It's almost less than 14 there, so let's put some fuel in it. That might bring power back down. So leaner's meaner, but holding pistons ain't really desirable either, so. That's why I tell people, when you put the stuff on there, you have to tune your car for it, and that's why.
So we were what, 12 to 1 before? First time we did.
Yeah, about 12 to 1 right there.
Yeah.
You shoot for 12.5 to 12.8, that's safe and makes good power, so.
Yeah.
Let me put some fuel across there. And timing's probably pretty much where it wants to be at anyway.
power staying. Torque actually went up. I need to put some more fuel in it out there.
Yeah.
So I add it out here, blend it back in, then we'll pile it good because we're about to totally retune it when you put the cam in anyways.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Picked up 6 foot-pounds.
Man, it's still going up.
Yeah.
Getting wet over there.
Big boy's sweaty. It's 95 degrees in here. 80 to 90 horsepower. This is going to be a freaking monster. So if it picks up 80 or 90 horsepower from the cam,
Oh yeah. Oh
I mean, if it makes 520, I'd be like, heck yeah, but anything past that's like, holy shit.
yeah.
Alright, big boy needs out of hot.
Duty cycle on your fuel injector. The rule of thumb is you don't want to be over about 80. At that point, they're not pulsing, they're just open.
They're hosing,
That's
yeah.
when you hear about people, oh, the injector hung open and filled the cylinder full of fuel. Because it's not pulsing at that point, it's just wide open, like, please God, put enough fuel in there. So,
Okay. So this is good for right now.
Yeah.
Probably good for the cam.
Yeah. you can get in the boost and stuff like that. Stock will usually cover what you got going on.
Gotcha. Do you have to upgrade the fuel pump too at that point, or do you?
So the problem I did is supplying enough for a blower a lot of times. It can't keep the pressure will be there, but the supply will be there. So you need more gallons per hour, however they rate it.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense.
Like my car, it's got the stock fuel pump that it came with in 2000. It's just got a booster pump on it. So when it goes in the boost, it turns that thing on and turns the voltage from like 12 volts to 15 volts and just runs the crap out of it. And it's always kept up. So
Yeah. Especially when the goal is to get to where to do some type of force reduction. We're talking about the root style blower. You were saying it's a little more manageable, I guess, with
there's like doing instant burnout. So when you're trying to roll into the power and get it going,
Right.
typical comes in and as long as you're turning RPM, it just makes more boost and more harder. So
right. Yeah.
whereas the root blower is like, here's your 5,000 foot-pounds, and then it kind of triples off. Where a central blower is like, okay, the more you turn me, the more I'm going to give you. So,
Without the same price, I guess, pretty much just kind of depends on what you're going to do.
yeah, most times any good forced induction kit, be it roots, centrifugal, turbos, they're all going to be within a couple of $100 or $1,000 of each other price range most times.
Yeah, particular brand you like or recommend?
Vortex was on my car. Pro Charger makes good power. I mean, as far as if I'm married to one or the other, no, anything that's making boost, I like it. So,
Yeah. Does it have its own oiling system in it?
some of them self-contained and then some of them using off the oil.
Okay, yeah.
Like mine rolls off the car. So I had to drill a hole in the oil, just like a turbo. It feeds off the oil of the car and then it drains back into the oil pan.
Okay, so it's got a drain off of it.
Yeah, and they say they're a little bit quieter, lower where the self-contained ones you hear them a little bit more because the oil contains in it. So
Okay, yeah.
same thing, I put 391 gears in my car. And I made more power. Couldn't change the gears fast enough. I had to go back the other way with the gears in it.
I gotcha, yeah. I know I guess some guys will put the ZL1 rear end in these. I think it's a little bigger.
Direct swap out and
Direct swap out, and I guess you get the bigger axles with it.
Yeah.
And we can hold more horsepower, I guess.
and the gears.
Big gear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like all the Corvette guys, the older guys, they won't put the manual ones in their car. So they go from like a 323 to 342 or whatever it is.
Yeah.
So it's a factory upgrade to put the main rear end in their car.
Right. Yeah.
That's not a bad idea. I actually overshot the fuel, but it's in there now, so when we put the cam in, I don't have to add so much fuel back into it.
Okay.
But, I mean, you only lost 4 horsepower over it, so I'd rather be safe and not on the ragged edge.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Actually, I didn't ask you what cam did you end up with. Stage 2 what?
Stage 2, it was a Hawg A.S.S cam.
The Hawg A.S.S cam. All right, brother, you happy with it?
Oh man, absolutely. So with a couple bolt-ons, the Kooks headers and cold air intake from RotoFab, we got picked up about 30 horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of torque. So very happy with just some bolt-ons. So next we're gonna put in the Stage 2 Hawg A.S.S cam here from Aquadale Speed Shop. So looking forward to that. I got a little bit of work to do, and we'll bring her back, put her on the dyno, hoping for maybe another 100 horsepower, but we'll see.
All right. Heck yeah.
But
Yeah, because all Adam has the whole cam kit here in stock. So that worked out.
yep, Adam had everything here in stock, ready to go. So I threw everything in the back seat, and then we head to the house and get started on it.
Started
So,
wrenching.
oh, absolutely.
What do you think, Adam? You gonna have this thing ready to go back on the dyno Monday?
Yeah, I like when they do it, I don't have to. I'll just punch the numbers on the laptop.